So guys, for those who don't know, I already have some Robux to buy some items. So today we're gonna buy it. Okay, let's start off with my shirt. Just search for this word and you will see my shirt. So let's buy it. Seriously. Okay, now we already bought it, but sadly I cannot find my pants, so I'm gonna use this one instead. Okay, this is only cost 5 Robux. It's a bit weird. Okay, now I only have 70 Robux, which is a bit bad, but now I'm also gonna search for my hair. Oh, never mind, we can just see. Okay, already bought it. It's 0 Robux. Bit weird. Okay, now let's bought the paste. Apparently, I have to change my screen a bit. So I'm so sorry. I know it. Okay, now we're already in my avatar. I'm so sorry if the screen is just tilted, but let's also buy the golden, just shiny teeth. I mean, let's search it. Okay, finally we saw it. Shiny teeth. Let's click this. I can click. Okay, let's buy. Oh, never mind. This is a bit cool, bro. Bro, just bought already. Buy item. Here. There, now I have this shiny teeth, which I really want. So, but now I will also, look at that. But I will find the shirt which I bought earlier. So, look at this. I'm gonna customize right now and see the hair. Okay. Now we're there. But let me change my hat because it's not in my avatar on right. Also this one. Okay, now we're almost at our avatar in Brookhaven. Sorry, that's just classic shirts. Okay, now we get it. This is so good. Oh, why is it bugging or something? Oh, now we're literally there's just egg, lol, but in classic pants. Yo, finally we got myself in here, but I will also change my head. I mean my is man head. Okay, now we're literally me, even if we play games. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, then like and subscribe. And that's it. Bye bye.